Meredith takes the snap. He's straight back to pass. Being rushed by Jeremiah Alexander. He misses him. Peter Woods has a shot at it. He misses him, and he throws complete. The Warriors, this time the quarterback will keep it. Formation. Play action, throw it, caught, first down this time. Back to pass, looking for the quick pass. Nobody's open. He's rushed in the backfield, hit as he throws it, intercepted. That's Jake Ivey over the right side. He's up over the 40 and out of bounds. Check that, that's number 6, that's Traquan Fagans.
The pressure right here. One player, two player, three players. He's just got to get rid of the ball, and two receivers, two Thompson defenders kind of bunched up. The problem with these passes.
4th down and a yard. Connor Harrell sets him, takes the snap. He'll keep it around the right side, and they keyed on him, and down he goes. Hoover will hold, and they're fired up. Back to pass. Caught at the 45, midfield, 45, down he goes to the 40. As the ball's placed down at the 19, it's in the air, it's high enough, it's long enough, it's good. Play action, throw it out there, Pippins has got it. He's at the 40, cuts back, gets away, 45, 5. Pippins in motion again. Connor Harrell will keep it on the run-pass option, and Pegues out there. Connor Harrell looking to throw it, caught. Pippins has got it. He's at 35-30, first down. AP lines up back there. He'll get the call, he'll break away. He's to the 10, the 5, touchdown, Thompson. Okay, Meredith sets his team. He'll hand it over the left side. He'll cut it back up the middle. There's a hole. He gets into the second. Alexander on the left, back to pass. Looking in the flat, throw it across the middle. It's caught. That time, back to pass. Being rushed, hit as he throws. It's caught. Formation. Play action, throw it toward the end zone, wide open, touchdown. Now for Connor Harrell. He's back to pass. Got all day. Throw it across the middle. It's caught. Caught it the 50. First down inside. Buck down to 1. Takes the snap. Back to pass. Looking across the middle. Got Ward wide open. It's caught at the 35 and down to the empty backfield. Pegues goes in motion. Looking for the end zone. Got a man. Is it caught? Yes! Touchdown! Thompson! Meredith. Take the snap. Back to pass, being rushed, throws the screen. It's caught, but well short of the first down. Well short of the empty backfield for Connor on 2nd and 1. He's got a man wide open, but he's going down the right side to Jalen Ward. It's caught. 30, 20, 10, 5. Touchdown, Thompson. Touchdown, Thompson. And here it is. Step up in the pocket, throw it toward the end zone, has a man open. It's caught at the 5-yard line. Side right, take the snap. Give it left side. He does not get in. He does not get in. It's 4th and goal. Takes a snap. Hand it off. No indication. No indication. 4th down. We held him. We held him. We held him. Go that way. First down, Thompson. Zach Sims on at quarterback. He'll hand it to Pegues, who'll get to the 24-yard line. So Connor Harrell not in there. Oh, my goodness gracious. Empty backfield. Sims back to pass. Steps up. Got Ward down the right side looking. It's caught at the 10-yard line.
Catch, 1 foot in bounds.
To the left. Back to pass. Sims looking. He's hit in the backfield. Down he goes. The ball comes loose, and Hoover's got it.
That allowed Hoover to get back there and hit him.
Gonna give it on the end around. He's hit it. Nailed at the 19. Pegues has got it. He's looking for a hole, not there. 3rd down and 20. Pegues has got it. Down he goes, 3 yards. Good snap. Heavy rush. It's blocked. It's blocked, and it will be recovered by Hoover. Play action, back to pass. Unloads it toward the end zone. Man wide open, touchdown. Takes the snap, back to pass. Pump fake, looking deep, going across the middle, down deep, intercepted. Intercepted, back he comes. 40, midfield. 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20. Down he goes. Strong side left. Handoff up the middle. Down he goes, a yard loss. Peter Woods makes the tackle. Play action to him. He's being rushed. Still rushed, down he goes. Finally, Peter Woods puts him down for about a 20-yard loss. To the left, Pepin's in motion. Give it back, JP. He's got a hole. He's across the 45, midfield. Cuts back 45, 40. Still on his feet to the 35, 30. Down to 1, takes the snap. Play action, throw it toward the corner of the end zone. It's caught, but out of bounds. Good snap, down. Kick is in the air. It's low. It's no good. They're straight back to pass. Being rushed, throw it across, wide open, caught. The ball comes, no, that's the shoe that comes loose. In motion, play action, back, being chased, gets away, steps back up, nice hit, down he goes back at the 30-yard line. Pepins has got it, he'll cut back to the right, he's got a block, he's to the 25, 30, 35 and out of bounds and hit late. Takes the snap. Pepins has got it again. He'll get to the outside. He'll go across the 40. He'll give it to Pepins again. Pepins across. Ball's on the ground. Give it to Pepins. He's hit in the backfield. 3rd down and 10. Back to pass again. Steps up in the pocket. Contain. Throw it. Caught. 1st and 10. Back to pass from the 30. Going for it all down the left side. It's caught. Takes the snap. Straight back to pass. Going right side. It's Hoover giving it everything they got. Got time now. Steps up. Hit as he throws again. It's caught at the 10. Drop the ball. Throw it. Caught. Out of bounds at the 3. They will. Down he goes. He'll lose a yard. Maybe back to the 3.
40 and counting, 1 timeout left. You don't want to give any time to Thompson.
3rd and go from the 8. Back, oh, he almost dropped the ball, picked it back up. Got time, throw it to the end zone. It's caught. Is he out of bounds? No, touchdown. He'll step up. He'll throw it back. It's back at the 10, trying to get around. He'll break away at the 15, 20. He'll never get all the way up the field. 25, 30, 35, 40. Whistle, stepped out of bounds. Ball game over.
I didn't think he stepped out of bounds.